Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? Supposed to feel. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Ingin menyapamu tapi sayangnya kau acuh. Ingin milikimu tapi sayangnya kau selalu menjauh dariku, dari pandangan mataku. Tapi untung aja selalu dekat di kalbuku, selalu di kalbu. Sudah begitu dalam di kalbu, sama sampai ku bawa kau dalam mimpiku. Setiap adamu penuhi pandangku, sampai ku tak mampu lepaskan bayangmu.
Ku ingin menyapamu, tapi tak satu pun kataku mampu.
Ku ingin menyapamu, tapi sayangnya kau acuh. Ingin milikimu, tapi sayangnya kau selalu menjauh dariku, dari pandangan mataku. Tapi untung aja selalu dekat di kalbuku, selalu di kalbu. Sudah begitu dalam di kalbu, sampai ku bawa kau dalam mimpiku. Setiap adamu penuhi pandangku, sampai ku tak mampu lepaskan bayangmu.
Ku ingin menyapamu, tapi tak satu pun kataku mampu.
Ingin menyapamu, tapi sayangnya kau acuh. Ingin milikimu, tapi sayangnya kau selalu menjauh dariku, dari pandangan mataku. Tapi untung aja selalu dekat di kalbuku, selalu di kalbu. Sudah begitu dalam di kalbu, sampai ku bawa kau dalam mimpiku. Setiap adamu penuhi pandangku, sampai ku tak mampu lepaskan bayangmu.
Ku ingin menyapamu, tapi tak satu pun kataku mampu.
Hindi masyadong hampas dito sa taas. Yan yung diskarte dito nila. Iwas na iniiwasan na nila dito. Ang iniiwasan nila dito ay yung masisira itong mga yan. Yung mga harang na to. Kaya yan ang ginawa nila. Yan yung mga pagharang na mga alon pag may bagyo-bagyo. Ayun guys, mga probinsyano guys, dyan po sila nagsushooting guys. Ayan. Dyan po yung shooting area ng probinsyano. Ayun guys, yan na guys, pinapakita ko na sa inyo ang dito sa Santa Ilocos Sur na ang tanawin dito sa Ilocos Sur ay napakasimple at napakaganda, at napakatahimik dito sa lugar na to. Hindi ito na tulad ng ibang mga bayan na maingay. Dito kasi mga guys sa Ilocos Sur, ito yung lugar ni Singson. Ito yung lugar ni Singson na sa Ilocos Sur. Siyang namumuno dito sa Ilocos Sur. Gusto ng Singson ay tahimik na lugar. Tahimik at hindi magulo. Yan. Dito yung pinakamaganda. Ito yung pinakamaganda dito sa Ilocos Sur. At walang gulo. Kahit anong buwan, walang magulo dito at hindi katulad sa ibang lugar na alam niyo na maraming kaguluhan. Pero dito napakatahimik dito. Maliwalas ang lugar at ito talaga ay inaalagaan talaga ng pamunuan ni Singson. At saka dito guys, napakatagal na rin ang probinsyano andito sila ngayon sa Ilocos Sur, sa mismong bahay ni Singson na sa tabi ng dagat na White House. Yun kay Singson po yung ginagamit nila. Kaya dito guys, napakatagal na nila dito dito banda sa Santa. Dito sila sa bahay nila Singson. Dito sila nagsushooting hanggang dun sa Bigan, Ilocos Sur. Ngayon guys, maraming salamat guys sa inyong suporta sa aking YouTube channel. Ako si Uncle Ed 37 Unag. Ako'y nagmamahal sa inyong sa atin lahat ay isa tayo, magkakasama tayo at lagi nating tatandaan tayo mga Pilipino laging masaya at laging sama-sama sa bawat